Do you love the warmth and character of wooden cutting boards and utensils? They add so much to our kitchens, but without proper care, they can warp, crack, and harbor germs. Learn the simple secrets to keeping your cherished woodware beautiful and functional for generations. Wood is a living, porous material. It absorbs liquids, odors, and can stain, unlike plastic or metal. While well-maintained wood can be more sanitary than plastic, neglect leads to problems like splitting or mold. Proper care prevents these issues and ensures longevity. Never put wooden items in the dishwasher. The intense heat and water will quickly warp and ruin them. Instead, wash by hand immediately after use with hot water and mild dish soap. Use a sponge or soft brush for stuck-on food. Rinse thoroughly and dry immediately with a towel. Do not let wooden tools soak in water. Soaking causes wood to swell unevenly, leading to cracks as it dries. Food stains from tomatoes or berries usually fade over time with regular washing and oiling. To speed this up, sprinkle coarse salt or baking soda on the board. Rub with a cut lemon, then rinse well. This also neutralizes strong odors like garlic. If your woodware feels sticky or looks dull, it might have built up food oils. Make a paste of baking soda and water, rub it in, then rinse thoroughly. A vinegar and water solution also works to disinfect and remove odors. Avoid harsh bleach as it damages wood fibers. Oiling is crucial for preventing wood from drying out, cracking, and splintering. Dry wood also absorbs too much moisture when washed. Food-safe mineral oil is ideal. It's odorless and won't spoil. Beeswax blends or linseed oil are also good options, but ensure they are food-safe. First, ensure your woodware is completely dry. Apply a small amount of oil with a soft cloth, rubbing it into all surfaces, including edges. Pay extra attention to the end grain, as it absorbs more oil. Let it sit overnight to penetrate. Wipe off any excess oil with a clean cloth the next day. For most home cooks, oiling once a month is sufficient. You'll know it's time when water no longer beads on the surface, but soaks in. Beyond daily cleaning, periodic sanitizing reduces bacteria. A simple method is spraying or wiping with a diluted vinegar solution. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse and dry. Hydrogen peroxide is another effective wood-safe disinfectant. After washing, always towel dry your woodware immediately. For cutting boards, stand them upright on their edge to allow air circulation on all sides. This prevents moisture pooling and warping. Store wooden spoons and ladles upright or flat on a towel until fully dry. Store boards in a dry place with good air circulation. Hanging them by a hole is ideal. Ensure all tools are completely dry before storing them in drawers or canisters. Even with the best care, wood doesn't last forever. If a board develops deep cracks that can't be sanded out, it's time to replace it. These cracks trap bacteria and are impossible to clean. A severely warped board that rocks is also unsafe for chopping. While plastic seems easy to sanitize, wooden boards often outlast them. Knife marks on plastic create grooves that trap bacteria and cannot be repaired. Wood, however, can be sanded smooth and restored, allowing it to last for decades. Caring for your wooden kitchen tools is simple. Wash quickly, dry completely, oil regularly, and sanitize occasionally. These small habits transform everyday items into lasting kitchen companions. Start today and enjoy your beautiful, durable woodware for years to come. Ready to give your wooden kitchen tools the love they deserve? Hit that like button, subscribe for more practical kitchen tips, and share this video with a friend who loves their wooden boards. What's your favorite wooden kitchen tool? Let us know in the comments below.